We're going to show you how to change the belts on a Loctite machine. Each machine is supplied with a kit of Allen keys, 2 cutter blades, and 4 drive belts. Today we'll be using the replacement belts. Number 1. Switch off the power supply and unplug it. Remove the covers, starting with the top one. Undo the screws, lift the cover off, and put it to one side. Do the same for the bottom cover. The drive mechanism has a locking lever. Lift it up and back to unlock the rollers. To remove the belt, slide the back guide roller forwards. Remove the worn belt. Push the back roller forwards and slide the belt over it. Place the new belt onto the guide rollers. Guide it carefully through the center. Release the back roller and check the belt is straight. Repeat for the bottom belt. Slide the back guide roller forwards and slip the belt off. Place the new belt onto the front roller. Guide it carefully through the center. Release the back roller and check the belt is straight. Lock the rollers again by pressing the locking lever forwards firmly. Replace the lower cover and then the upper cover. That completes the belt change. Now you can plug the machine in, turn it on, and test everything is working correctly. Thank you for using Loctite.